accountant, nataka nikuambie the increment of 5% from 30% to 35% of pay as you earn. For people who are earning 500,000 shillings and above, not every Kenyan is earning 500,000 shillings and above. And because the political class, including our governor here, are earning 1,000,000 shillings and above, I want to confirm to you, Your Excellency, that those of us in your team and many others even not in our team who appreciate the role that you are playing in uplifting the economy of our country, we are ready and we shall pay that incremental tax to make sure that those at the bottom of the pyramid are able to get opportunities for employment and we create wealth for our country. Sitaki kusema zaidi ya hayo. Your Excellency, kwa heshima nimwalike governor wa Kiambu atuambie kama iko wakati alipitia chokes. Lakini nataka ni confirm, Your Excellency, hii shule is among our best schools in Kiambu County. And with that, Your Excellency, allow me to invite the Governor Kiambu County, Governor Kimani Wamatangi, to make his remarks. Thank you and God bless you. Na nitarudi siku ingine mimi, Your Excellency, wakati hauko, ili tukae na hawa wasichana kidogo.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.